Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Since we did the passenger side, correction. Since we did the passenger side, today we're attacking the driver's side. Yesterday we did the passenger side. So let's get to it. We got these 10s, 1, 2, 3. Then after that we got 13s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the rest is going to be down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would be 17 bolts, 16 bolts. We also have the crash sensor on this side and any other grounds you might have, but that's only just the crash sensor on the side. Some trucks might have the cruise control and other stuff underneath the battery. This is just a cabin chassis truck, basic leather floor mats, roly-poly windows, and yeah, luckily we got AC. But I'm gonna get started. Start undoing all these. Undoing the battery first. Undo the battery, remove the battery tray, and just clear up stuff so I can get this fender off. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get back to you guys real soon. All right, you guys, we're back. So I had to remove the front bumper like I did yesterday for the passenger side. Took off the headlight bezel. I'm gonna do that right now so I can transfer over to the other one. I did break the new headlights, so I gotta get me some new headlights. I do like these, but I like the ones that I had with the LED strip. So I'm gonna just get those again, but black housing. But back to this. Took off the front bumper, took off the headlight bezel, headlight itself, so I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bolts to remove the fender. You also have the fuse box can stay. You just got this one mount right there, and you have the glow plug relays, not glow plug, but the grid heater relays. If you're using those, I'm using them, so you gotta unbolt them. Sorry for the mess of wires, but I'm gonna try and clean it up when I put this new fender on. And yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna get the new fender on, mock up the bolts, and get back to ya. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All we doing is tighten up the last few bolts. These are all tight right here. These are all tight. The inners right there, all tight. Kind of cleaned up the wires a little bit. That's tight. I got to do those two down there. And then I could put on the headlights and the bumper and we all good, but just cleaning up. Taking off this crash sensor. So we can put on that fender. So we won't have no airbag light. I don't need this, but you know, I'm gonna just take it off. Since it's brand new, I bought it. I thought my alternator was like going crazy and I just need a new alternator. But yeah, we just have it just for standby. But we got it on. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with the bumper and everything, headlights.